Whenever you suffer from an outbreak, you desire to locate a successful acne cure free of cost anytime you can. Breakout assistance may be expensive and you do not possess a lot of dollars to waste on behalf of an item that will in no way work. Therefore, whenever you wish to acquire a pimple solution, you might want to consider looking within your kitchen cabinet first. You will discover quite a lot of components which you are able to use for an effective approach. Individuals are at all times ready to get over-the-counter items for the reason that these substances are already put together and usually provide an item on the package that makes folks feel better. Nevertheless, these techniques must be checked more closely prior to acquiring. The antidotes found at pharmacies regularly consist of several chemicals. These chemicals will be able to provide immediate relief, nevertheless in addition might create more harmful side effects than only a simple breakout. You may possibly never produce a reaction as a result of utilizing these things, though lots of folks go through irritation, a rash, burning or even further serious problems. When you utilize a non-traditional substance, you will be using a pimple remedy free of cost antidote that is fully absorbed into your skin because there is not anything an unusual ingredient that the system cannot handle. You most likely do not have geranium oil, lavender oil or patchouli oil within the home, but you can find materials that you might possess, generally located within your kitchen, which will supply an acne cure free of charge. One substance is Epsom salt, which will be terrific for a bath. It might lower nervous tension as well as assist in eliminating waste that can be discovered within your system. You could use lemon juice and egg whites to create a facial covering. Furthermore, you will be able to create an antidote that comprises baking soda to bring back your pH balance, salt to exfoliate, and baking powder so that the skin can feel soft and smooth. Honey that is natural, devoid of being heated, is a fantastic covering. Also, you could use a recipe including honey, quick oats, egg, hot water and plain yogurt. Altogether they make up a face covering which will be able to make balanced skin plus aid in eliminating the blemishes. You can make use of these tactics of treatment that you located within your kitchen pantry 2 times every day, 1 time in the morning and once before you go to bed. It will be important that you continue to cleanse your face twice every day, even after you clear up the breakouts. Bacteria might settle within the skin pores all through the day since they are airborne. You actually walk into bacteria that will be in the air. It adheres to your face and begins to embed within your open pores. Over time, it can produce irritation and result in a breakout when not eliminated. Whenever you find an acne cure free of charge created from normal materials located inside your kitchen cabinets, you ought to be positive you at all times have it on hand. Thank you, and may this information useful for you.